Awesome. We're going to actually have a review onto what makes a very good landing page and what makes it not so good landing page, right? The most initial, the most important part of a landing page is that it converts the traffic, right? Because if you're sending traffic to a very bad landing page and you have 0 to no conversion rates, then you're basically throwing away money, right? So we're gonna start saying by we're going to start by saying that we are not associated with any of the sites that we're going to be showing in the video. In this video, we are just analyzing them into what constitutes a good versus a bad landing page and a website altogether, right? Landing pages are pages where the traffic lands directly. So for example, the features site, it could be a landing page if they're redirecting traffic to, but they're not the main page. So the main page, the one you see as the home page, it is usually a landing page. For example, if you have a special offer page to either a service or a product, it is also considered a landing page, right? I'm assuming that you guys have no idea what a landing page is. So for start is just a page that it's informative. It goes into supplying information to the reader to why they're there, right? So we are reviewing now Creatify, which is supposedly a website which allows to create video ads, right? It tells you straight up into the point, right? The fastest way to create video ads, right? It's there straightforward. That's very good because it tells you right away what the actual user is searching for. Yeah, most likely the user search for a way to create videos with AI. So I would have said the fastest AI way to create video ads, right? Creatify is an AI. Yeah, look, it's an AI powered app, right? So I will have put it here, placed here, the fastest way to create videos ads with AI, right? Creatify and then here, which is great. And also look at this. They give you actual proof, right? And if you go there, it should actually take you to product hunt. Launched happened 8 months ago. All right, great. Proof again. Yeah, this is very good. This is the most important part is on a landing page is actual proof. So to be honest, I like more the centered way rather than having the text over here nowadays. But we're gonna talk that a little bit later on. So again, if you go down here, you got proof of to what the app does, right? The video ads that it creates, and you can see the proof right here, which is ultimately that's what you really want to do with your landing pages is give as much proof as you can as possible, right? Trusted by 3,000 brands and advertisements such as this one's. Again, proof. Now we're stepping into features. Generate high performing marketing videos with a single click. That's a promise, right? Simply enter a product link or upload your visuals and descriptions and that. And then you got, again, proof into how it works. So we're not going to watch this right now. But as again, proof, you got a big promise, right? And you got proof. That's essential. Then again, you got a big promise, which is increase ROI by testing more ads with less effort, right? And again, this is proof, right? And you can check on the proof here, which is essential to, well, figure out if things are actually true. Yeah, most of the times, you're gonna find links to proof, but sometimes you won't, right? Boost your marketing with Creatify powerful features such as this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Great. They are giving you the features of what the user, from the user's perspective, what are they able to do with the product, right? You're able to short video ad, directly transform any product URL into a captivating video commercial. AI avatar that you can create over 220 realistic AI avatars, custom avatars, AI scriptwriter text to speech, which is basically the features again of the product. And it is compatible with this platforms such as this one that you see here. Once more, they give you customer stories, the ones that you can read, analyze, and all right, I'm not able to no, not really. I wanted to see if I was able to scroll them faster. For example, here, I personally would have done it in a different way so that you can actually read each of them little by little and actually click on them and further read more information about the review. Yeah, this adds credibility. The point of a very good and a very good converting, the difference between a very good landing page and a good landing page is the amount of credibility you're able to give within the landing page. Yeah, if you're able to give as much credibility, believe me that as much credibility information on where to find that credibility, it's gonna skyrocket your conversion rates. Why? Because put it straight to the point, whenever you go into a website, it's just going like into an unknown store where you don't know anything about, not even the product, the person, the company who's selling it. And basically your task is to actually give out as much information about product or service and have it up matched with the proper amount of credibility. When you got these two things in the website, then your 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 conversion rates are going to skyrocket, right? Then here they go straight into pricing. Again, I think this is a little bit way too aggressive with the amount of information that they just given me, which is probably 2-3 sections, 4 sections at most, and they give you right away the pricing. It's great. It's not great, yeah. So because it's going too straightforward. It's like getting naked in front of a girl right in the first date, right? It's not proper, right? And it's not gonna help you increase your conversion rates right away. If the person is interested, they're going to buy. If the person really wants to buy, they're going to search for the pricing and purchase directly. Most likely, they're not going to purchase directly from here, right? But what you can do is actually instead of doing this, is just completely eliminating the pricing and just start. It's free anyways. Like you're gonna give it for free anyways. So I would make this big, right? And delete the other pricing for the moment, for now, from the first part, and just get them to sign in. Why? Because that's conversions. Yeah, you're increasing the conversions. Yeah, and you're removing all the friction that it could be from the user to not converting. All right, I've read all of this. I believe in it. So I'm going to get started and create my account. So I will delete this so to reduce friction. Yeah, if eventually, even if this is expensive for me, and eventually I need it, I will find a way to actually get this, even if it's 3 or 4 months later. So eventually you do want to inform the user of your pricing, but not straight away, not in the landing page. You want to give the less friction as possible for them to start getting to know you, start getting to know your company, what are your promises, what the promise of your products or services, and then get them into paying plans, right? Or get them to purchase the product right away, instead of getting them to purchase the product right away. Great. Again, they added this, as you can see, this is again proof. Again, very good to adding proof. But again, it's too much text of proof, and there is not some. It's not as credible. Well, if you, great, awesome, they got it from here. So my bad. I'm gonna take that back. It is actually a real review that you can actually. I don't know where it is. I don't see it, but it looks like if it's a real review. Lin, let's say. See what I was telling you? It's very just made it. That's great if I have. It is very difficult to find reviews where actually they are sort of true. So the more you can give the actual real reviews right here, even if it's with a video and stuff, it will actually increase your conversion rates. People will actually just scroll through them and see if they actually, yeah, see, as you can see, it doesn't, or does it? I don't understand. It's on a level navigate. No. Yeah. Paul, what would, I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce his name. Let's see that. Paul. Yeah, there is no Paul. Oh, Frank Denbo. I think we saw that one. So it looks weird. It is weird, this proof, but there is proof, right? And then commonly asked question: what's included in the free plan? How are credit spends? Great, that's amazing. That clarifies as much questions as possible from the end user. They should have loaded here a call to action button, right? So it says sign up now for free. Yeah, instead of or here as they got it. If I've gone through here and I haven't created a free account, I doubt that the user is going to go in for the enterprise plan right away, right? So this let's talk button, I wouldn't place it here, right? I will place a create a free account button, which is the one that is interesting, the most interesting for the end user. So right, if we click that there, it takes us to this, which is okay, it works, right? Awesome. Now we're going to be reviewing the second page, which we have here, AppFire. This one was, it has a very good design. As you can see, it's very clean, very responsive, very beautiful design, right? Loads perfectly. Build apps you bring to fire. Awesome. Great. So we're going to talk about this. Make collaboration flow. This is the first initial part. This is the promise that they're giving you. Which again, from the name AppFire, I can think that they do software and apps. So, but it's not very much clear what directly do they do and what's the direct benefit to the reader, right? To the user. Enterprise collaboration solutions built for your team, ecosystem, and best work because one workflow's productivity does it. This could be completely simplified in a way that people could actually read even more. Explore solutions, explore AppFire. So these are the two call to actions that they're giving you. Explore cloud-ready apps. Great. Why would I want to explore cloud-ready apps directly if I do not even know what cloud-ready apps are, right? So your idea is to get them interested into what you're saying. Yeah, not get them confused at first. For example, 20,000 customers and growing, including 55% of. All right, great. You're telling me this is proof, but I don't care. The end user doesn't care. So that gives you negative feedback from what constitutes a good landing page, right? This is amazing. This is great. Tesla, Boeing, T-Mobile, this is actual, it's proof. Yeah, it provides proof. Our solutions to take big challenges. Great, but what are the solutions and what are the big challenges? Yeah. Here they tell you, but they tell you again, you're telling me the solutions and challenges, and then you're giving me just the direct features and benefits of what something you're trying to sell me, right? Which is not directly explained. I understand that probably for AppFire, then it's not the landing page, and they're not getting the initial customers from the landing page directly, but they could, and this could increase their revenue because I've investigated this company before, and what they do with their products and solutions is actually create products for Atlassian, Monday.com, Microsoft, and Salesforce, right? They do not get they could, right, if they set it up properly and they use their landing page as an informative landing page to get them from the top of the funnel, then to get them to the bottom of the funnel, right? But they don't do that, right? They just tell you what they do. And to be honest, you as a reader and you as a user, you don't pretty much care what they do. You care what your benefit is. So the goal of having a very good high converting website is actually to cater to the ego of the reader into this is going to cost this to you, right? This is going to bring you this benefit to you. And that way you're going to be entitling the consumer to actually consume and use your products, right? Resources, great, that's great. But why would I care about this here? Why would I care about videos and webinars here? Why would I care about guides and reports, right? Newsroom, subscribe for updates. This is, you can see that this is a website that was not optimized for conversions, but rather just a website that fulfills of having a website and trying to explain what the business is, right? So I give it a 3.2 out of 5 as a rating. Awesome. Let's go to Atlassian. Atlassian is it's a huge company. Yeah, it's an enterprise. But again, this I've read this before, but I believe it really gives you an idea of what a really good landing page is. Again, the new Jira, this is their product. They have different products, right? They have Jira, Confluence, Jira Service Management, Rovo, Compass, and others you can read here. Loom even, right? So, in the landing page, they are showing you directly what's the main product, what's their main product. So, the one that does that properly is, well, a classic one, as you can see here. As soon as it loads, directly, the main offer, right? We're going to change. All right, great. They do that here. They immediately show you the product, right? We're gonna go back to the Atlassian one. To continue that. So the new Jira for teams to dreams, right? It's telling you directly that is for teams, so that make their dreams a reality, right? They're showcasing you the software, project management, marketing, product management. I'm sorry, and then project management here, design, IT, and they're giving you real lifetime proof of what it does, right? And what are you able to do as a project manager, for example, and yeah, how you're able to utilize it. Yeah, that's direct proof of this is what you're getting, whatever you're paying for. Get started right away. They tell you right away just to get started, right? Which is great. This is a very good call to action because it's very soft call to action. Yeah, you always have to be as gentle and as soft as possible when getting call to action. So you don't want to say like purchase right away because this is going to create friction, negative friction. You want positive friction sometimes to filter out users, but in this case, you always want to do it soft as Atlassian does it, which is get started, right? Again, let's go back, let's go down. Now they are actually showing you their different products, in this case, Jira, Dream Planet Launch It, the #1 tool for agile teams, as again, it gives you a promise, and then they show you proof, as you can see here, right? It's very important to, they do it amazingly here because they actually give you the direct promise and then the direct response of the promise, which is the proof of someone using and fulfilling how they are getting the benefit of being fulfilled with that promise, which is Dream It, Plan and Launch It. We've been able to reduce their cycle time and increase throughput by 200%. Yeah, directly tells you right away they have been successfully receiving that promise, right? And you can read more about it here, right? Now we're going to Confluence. Again, they do the same thing. You can see here again how is the product being used. Connect, consolidate, scatter docs, and disconnect teammates in one central source of truth. And whenever you read the proof of the promises, the big win that we have seen through the implementation of Confluence Cloud is definitely collaboration. It's a very way of working. This could be improved, right? The wording of this could be improved to match this even further. Right? This is going to, people actually read. People stop and read. So the more effort you put into having a congruence between whatever you promise and whatever it's being served as the promise, then you're pretty much good to go. Again, here, same case. I'm going to skip through the next ones. Is record. Yeah, so there you go. Proof, promise, proof, promise, proof, promise, proof. There you go. Again, showcasing the product, transporting with human AI collaboration. Incredible, right? Call to action, explorer, team closer up, proof. Again, this is proof. This is proof that they are actually big, proof that they actually do their stuff, proof that they actually know what they're doing and that it helps a lot of companies. Yeah, empower everyone on every team. Again, this is the benefits of what the end user is going to get. Supercharged dev productivity, plan, track, and release world-class software with the #1 software development for agile teams. That's amazing. Me personally, I would have added here a little bit of proof, right? They have done it all the time. You can do it once more. Product management, the same thing. I would have here in this white space, add a little, probably even add a little bit of spacing, proof, right? Same thing. Yeah, there you go. You have learned more about marketing, which is not proof, but I'm pretty sure that whenever you go here, there you go. It sends you to another landing page. You see? No success, execution. Yeah, that's, this one's not as good. There you go. You can immediately feel that this one is not as good as a landing page. That's why you should treat every site that you do for a service or a product as a landing page, because it's your goal is to inform the user. Users want to buy. Users want to use your stuff. You just need to show them enough information for them to justify either logically or emotionally why they need to use your stuff, right? So as you can see here, even inside the Atlassian website, sometimes they're not even doing things perfectly, right? which if they increase this, for sure, I'm pretty sure it will increase the amount of people that actually use this part of the product or this part of the service, right? Again, there you go. Okay, great proof. Yeah, me, I would have done that whenever you click this thing, you can actually go directly to a case study, or you can watch a video. And great, this is a case study, but too much text, as you can see, it's too much text, and I would have gotten into giving videos, and that's it. There's no call to action. They missed a call to action here. Maybe after I read this, I immediately want to try it now. Oh, you got it here, but people are going to ignore this. Yeah, you ignore this whenever you're reading the site. So I will place call to actions here strategically so I can immediately. All right, I read this amount, and then whenever I see a call to actions, great, it's enough information for me to actually go and click there. Or if the person needs more information, you give them different. It's like placing traps wherever you want the user to go. So if there's nothing here, then I'll just simply go back, and they've lost me. They've lost me already, right? Watch on demand, team 24, great. Awesome. They are showing you different stuff as well here. Let's go into all the other sites, but I'm pretty sure by now you can already identify different landing pages and different uses. I've also searched one for home inspection. I believe this is in Florida. Great. Exclusive inspectors providing home inspections to the Southwest Florida area. Great. Serving. Awesome. It's immediately telling me that if I'm in this area, I'm able to get a home inspection, right? Direct call to action is schedule the inspection now, and contacts. Great. That's amazing. The only bad part is, where's an image? Like, why don't we have an image behind it? Just an image. Yeah, just an image of a home. Just an image of a home inspector doing home inspecting, right? It will be best if you actually put that as a even as a video here, right? As a short video, short 60-second video where I can click now and I can see actually some sort of home inspection actually happening, pre-recorded home inspection, something like that, right? And schedule your inspection now. Now, why is it sending me here? Yeah, this could be done much better, but there. But it doesn't matter right now. We're discussing the first initial parts of the landing page. Here I'll put the amount of reviews and the amount of stars. Yeah, the same way as they did it here in Creatify. Number one product of the day, I'll put something probably like number one home inspector in Florida, something like that, right? Choose the right inspector. Again, awesome, but I don't know what this is, and probably I don't care, right? I don't know what you can put this later on, but not immediately. Probably in a learn more. If I'm searching for home inspector right away and I need it right now, probably I'm just gonna call this number and that's it. Or this could have been a call now button, right? Instead of just schedule your inspection, just call now. If it depends also as well on the channel. If for example, some countries they prefer to chat to WhatsApp as well. It works well in Europe. I know that mobile phone numbers work better in America. So again, I would have placed here like call now, yeah, and then get them to schedule an appointment by phone, or yeah, give them two options: just schedule your call now, or schedule an appointment, or something like that, right? Again, I would have used, instead of this immediately, I would have placed reviews. Yeah, previous users of home inspectors, previous clients from the home inspecting business. This reviews, this should have gone here. There you go. Reviews. They are Google imported Google. This picture, for example, this picture of the home inspector, this should have gone here, right? All right. Customer did not write a review. Customer, you should place it. 26 reviews on Google. Yeah, for as much as there are 5, it's just 26 reviews, right? I'll probably delete these and make it my way, and that's it. It's over. That's the whole page. It's incredible. Pricing. Let's go to pricing. Home inspection. And it's not cheap, actually. It's not cheap at all. Like, this guy can really make a very, like, much better website. Actually, this is a guy that we could contact, and we can do a site for them. That's going to be a much better business for them. Exclusive inspect. Actually, we could do that. Just remember to chop off that part from the video. Awesome. Now we got another one, which is for residential roofings in Berkeley. Very similar. Very similar. Let's talk. Amazing here. This is, you have a call us now button here that is static. That's great. I would have placed it here, right? But right away, they don't tell you much. They don't tell you Golden Heights Roofing. Amazing. Residential roofing services. That's what they provide. A picture of what they are doing. Probably that's mostly them. I would have, for the picture, just for the picture aesthetics, I would have placed even a mat here with a logo of this, just so that you can know that it's real. Because this picture looks probably taken from some other site, right? So you really wanted to personalize your pictures by using, for example, this logo, not placed via Photoshop, but actually just placed with a mat somewhere here, or having them use the shirts for just for the picture. You know, you can tell them later to change to something more comfortable for them. But the company's shirt or something, right? Somewhere here, so that you can actually know that this is true. Yeah, but this picture does the trick, right? And what happens if we click let's talk? It's a submit form. You can do that, but it's much better whenever you tell them like request a callback, request a free callback, right? So that way you can actually give this, and you tell them 15-minute callback or something like that. That in 15 minutes you're gonna call them. Believe me, that's going to improve your conversion rates. Awesome. Roofing service covers a wide scope, whether you want to re-roof your property, treat storm damage, or get a professional room inspections. You can word this better, right? You can word this better into a way of saying, into categories, right? Treat storm damage, professional rooms. You can do that with pictures. Yeah, you can post a picture for treat storm damage, re-roof, professional roof inspections. So you can put pictures, for example, here, storm damage, renovations, something like that, right? But first of all, I will place proof rather than what do we do, or just after what do we do, then I'll do proof. Again, this always put in the picture again something in real life that will actually serve you, as we did with the logo here. We told them to use a picture. You can place a flag here. You can place another flag here, so you can actually the end user can actually know that this is actually your business. Why us? Instead of doing a why us, it should be supported by client testimonials, right? Because there's nothing stronger than a why us than other customers that have had an excellent service. How it works, honestly, I care more about how do I contact you and how do I trust you more than how it works. You can explain me later how it works, right? Customer reviews, again, this should have been placed upper in the, like, way up here, right? And there you go. And then leave us a message, and then and about us, and then again leave us a message. You can delete this one and just leave us a message down below. Again, this has room for improvement, but again, you can take bits and pieces from this one to actually make a much better landing page. And let's go to this one, the last one. Awesome. Now we're in the last one. We're going to review a nutrition coach. Yeah, a nutrition coach, basically. So, again, who are these people, right? Who are they? Why should I care about these people, right? Instead of these pictures, it should have shown me the process. What am I getting from this coaching? Which lifestyle am I buying, right? Someone doing exercise, someone eating better, someone actual proof of this is transformation, right? Immediately you can place the customers' reviews here on the first part of your site. It's gonna immediately make a much better impression of your business, of your results, right? So if you can place your results right straight away, I'm gonna say, damn, I actually want that. I actually want I want these results, right? So I will immediately hit start your applications. But who are these people, right? Start my applications right away, and that's it. Awesome, right? Let's leave that as it is. Call to action. I don't understand why they don't have like a call to, again, schedule a meeting. I want to talk to them. I want to get more information. I want to talk to the people or something, right? Or get in touch with us. But start your application is a little bit too harsh. We're not just macro coaches. This is not just another nutrition program. Again, this, you can reshape this. We don't do templated responses, meal plans, client emails. You're a unique individual. We can meet you. Great. Everyone tells me the same. Everyone tells me that. And at the end of the day, they end up doing it anyways. So what you want to do is, yeah, I understand that they're trying to showcase why are they different. But you have to showcase why are you different with the proof of why to the person that got the result, why they were different to them than others, right? So if you frame this a little bit different, more like, I chose KLN, right? It's called Kate Lehman Nutrition. I chose KLM because they were not giving me another program. They were not giving me templated responses. They were not giving me PO plans. Instead, they gave me actionable results, actionable plans, or actionable results that I could, actionable steps that I could turn into results that I will justify more about their approach, right, and how they do things and why are they different. If someone tells you that right away in here, trust me that people are going to believe even more in your capabilities of delivering that service, right? One-on-one flexible nutrition coaching, great, but almost everyone offers one-on-one flexible nutrition coaching, right? So you can frame this differently. Or give something some benefit. Honestly, if I'm searching one-on-one, great. But if I'm not searching one-on-one, well, then it's not so good. So, for example, me, instead of going on one-on-one, me personally, I would have loved to go into a group, right? So you can actually, this could have been framed into, you can either choose one-on-one or choose group coaching, right? That way, the person, it's given a choice, and whenever you give people choices, you feel entitled. You feel like you have control of what you're purchasing, yeah, which is something good. If you give too much choices, I must say that is not good because it's gonna confuse the end user. But if you can go into groups or you can go into one-on-one, and they have different prices. Probably the group one is cheaper, and then the one-on-one is a little bit more expensive. It can be an upsell, for example, if you want personalized and flexible nutrition coaching, then you can pay $27 extra a month, and we're going to take you out from the group and place you under the scope of a one-on-one coach, right? Which is, again, it's going to change a little bit the business model, but it probably will make it run smoother. You have to A/B test that, but again, this is just different framing for instead of just telling you one-on-one nutrition coach. I'm pretty sure that if we go to another nutrition coach, it's going to say the same thing, right? It's time to try something different. Let's try something different. It's time for a personalized approach to nutrition that actually works. Great. You're ready to step away from chronic, stepping away from chronic dieting and restrictive food rules. Finally form a positive relationship with food and your body. Feel knowledgeable. You can frame this differently. Yeah, I'm going to do another video on how to write great copy. Great copy should be simple. Great copy should be digestible, right? Here you're giving me too much text without actual pictures of, all right, great. People scroll through sites. People don't read the sites. People scroll through them. And if you give them anchor points with visuals, with very small size bites of information, they're gonna digest that. But this is way too harsh for someone to digest right straight away from a landing page. The point of people scroll through landing pages, right? Just like that. So you want to anchor them somehow. This is great. This should have been directly here at first. This should have been here. This should have been the hero section. Physically, I feel stronger emotionally, and I no longer feel like I'm in a adversarial relationship with my body. You can rewrite this a little bit different, right? You can make this shorter. You can make this, sorry, instead of shorter, a little bit more concise. And again, all right, see the transformations. Let's see. Great. This should have been the actual main site, right? Plays with a video. Plays with a small video. You can see a case study. All right, case study. Write a specific site for this girl, for Zach. How much she lost, how much she weighed. I'm pretty sure. And if you're a nutritionist and you're not taking record of what your clients are losing and on how much muscle are they gaining, etc., then you're a very bad coach, right? So you can actually grab and paste that information over here, of course, with the client consent, so that it adds credibility. Again, that's the bridge you have to create. It's credibility on your site. Awesome. This should have been at the beginning, right? Let's go back to the homepage. This should have been here. Great. And there you go. Again, another one. Yeah, they definitely know. Awesome. Whitney, Kate, Diana, Kenny, Kimberly, Zach. I don't care who they are, right? This could be on our team, somewhere about here, coaches, something like that, and give them a little story to who is Kate. Awesome. Yeah, exactly. Just grab 2 lines from here, right? Or what does she do? CrossFit. Yeah, what does she do? And all right, certification. That's great. Show me the certificates. A picture of you holding the certificates. Where are they? Right. Testimonial. This is the video testimonial. This is a video testimonial. How long it is? 2 minutes. That's amazing. You can do 2 of those, 3 of those, 60 seconds. Right. There you go. Another one. This should have been here on the main site. Here on the main site. Right. Down here. These are her testimonials. Here, I have helped these 2 clients. I have helped these people do this. I have helped this one lose weight. This one, let's say, improve their CrossFit. This one, increase strength, endurance, right? The benefits of who is bringing what, right, to your team. Because if they're all the same, I'm pretty sure then you're bad at hiring as well. Our team was your experience in nutrition, physical coaching. Great. But then what? More about our qualifications then. Show me the proof. Show me proof. Right. Awesome. I think I'm pretty sure with this you're able to understand now what it constitutes and what makes a better landing page. And awesome. If we go to a landing page, for example, Apple, and we go to, let's go to the iPad Pro. Yeah, this is a landing page. Immediately they're showing you the product, right? Thin possible. This is the word they want to own. Thinnest iPad, right? This is the price to purchase right away. I think this is too harsh, but I mean, it's Apple. They have built the trust already by different areas. Highlights, watch the film. There you go. Here it is. You can watch the film of the event. You can watch proof, right? This is the direct benefit to the person. Scrollable. Great benefits of the product, right? And the longer you can make a website, look at it. So how long the website is, right? How long the landing page is, showing you different areas of proof, right? Advanced display to show you proof of the advanced display. Proof again here. Call to action. There you go. Soft call to action. Again, what a benefit. What you can do, right? Call to action. Soft call to action. iPad OS work again. More call to actions, right? There you go. This is what I'm talking about. There you go. Again, information. Look at where we are. We're here in the middle. We're still in the middle. Right? They're showing you the add-ons, the upsells. What else can you do with the product? Awesome. Then now they're going to talk about more features about the product. There you go. Dream big. Call to action again. There you go. See what I'm talking about? This is what constitutes and makes a very good landing page. So iPad, call to action again. Well, Apple is the best place to buy iPad. There you go. Proof. Yeah, promise. Proof. Sorry, iPad. I think here, there you go. Different two iPads, so you can choose one or the other. And they call to action. iPad. There you go. Finished. The more information you're able to give the user about your product or service, the higher the chance that they're going to buy from you. You can always make the website as long as possible. And as long as you have call to actions distributed in the website, it's not going to be as long as you think is for the user. Why? Because if the user clicks here, right? Oh, it doesn't redirect you. Looks like it. Yeah, it doesn't redirect you. Should have, but the website is going to end for them there, right? It's not going to be a very as long website. So awesome. I think with this we can conclude the video, and I hope that you have learned something from the video, how to make better landing pages regardless of what your product or service is, or regardless of your location. Remember that you always want to give them a direct path into get them to the call to action that you want with the least resistance, right? If it's calling you, if it's making an appointment with you, yeah, if it's purchasing the product to try the product first, to then, for example, if you go directly to buy, I'm pretty sure it's gonna show you another website. There you go. It's not gonna give you directly like purchase button right away, but rather you can choose the model, personalize it however you want, and then you get to purchase, right? It seems to us that adding sites between you and them purchasing and clicking the final button of purchase, it's going to redirect them out of your site. And it's a bad school of thought, because actually if someone is very interested into what you've got to sell, because all the information you have previously given to them justifies their purchase, the more, like if you have 2 to 3 to 4 steps, it's probably 4 now, but 3 steps in between them actually getting the product, and those steps are filled with even more information than before, and it's going to justify to them why they should purchase this. Trust me, it's going to increase your conversion rate more than it's going to decrease it. Why? Because customers want to feel safe. Customers want to feel safe what they're purchasing. Customers want to feel that they've made the right choice, and you want to really fit in that feeling for them, right? And you do that by creating several steps. You don't go on and have relationships with a person straight away, right? Most people don't. So they got steps in between. They got a first date. They got to get to know each other. They go for a walk. They go, right? They go slow, digestible points that create trust, so that they can actually set themselves free. The same happens here when you're doing landing pages, e-commerce, and everything. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you guys on the next one. Thank you.